Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is another day we're trading Euro USD, and as you all know, today is a Monday. The week has just started, and I entered a trade. As you can see above, I never recorded as I entered the trade because I was busy doing other things. And as you can see, the trade is now going perfectly, and we are in profits. So there's this pattern M that I saw and took a trade. As you can see, uh depends, it doesn't have to be perfect M, but that's where let me show you where I entered the trade. That's right where I entered the trade, and the above red line is my stop loss. Yeah, so that's where I entered the trade. I took 4 trades, and with you know uh, one lot size each, and down is my take profit. The down dotted red line is my take profit, but I don't think if I have to wait till take profit is hit, because um I've made more than I was hoping for. Also, this is another pattern, as you can see. Depends on how you see the market, or how there's that the M pattern. Also, there's this M pattern. So it doesn't matter how you see, or as long as you enter the trade and at the right time and the perfect spot. So as you can see, we are on profits. We have made over $1,000, guys. That's more than what I wanted. And yep, $1,200 in a single trade. You see, I took 4 trades at the same time with the one lot size each. And guys, this is what you make. You know, this is what you make when you learn how I trade. I trade very simple. I don't use a lot of crazy indicators, signals, uh, a lot of my chart is very clean, only candlesticks and maybe trend line, but today I never used trend lines. So today was okay. My technique is naked trading. I just trade nakedly with my eyes. If I think that's the best technique like that a trader can have. If you can be able to look at the market and just within few minutes, boom, you know how the market goes. You time the perfect entry, you enter the trade. So you can see profits, profits. If you have the right knowledge, the right strategy, the market will always go on your favor, guys. If you want to learn more how I trade, my strategy, my technique, feel free to comment. I have links to my Telegram, WhatsApp. Yeah, so you can feel free to text me, because we share everything. I wasn't born knowing how to trade, so even you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Anywhere in the world, whether you're in Africa, Europe, Asia, you can do it. Trust me. So I think I'll have to close the trade, because uh, these weeks I have some projects I'm working on, and I don't want to be keeping so much of my eyes on the market, so because you never know. So, and plus, oh, sorry guys, I'm so tired. So yes, uh-huh, uh-huh. This is what you can do. No excuse. Usikuwe na excuse. Usikuwe na unajua. Siwezi fanya reasons. Don't have reasons not to do it. Just do it. If I can do it, you can do it. So that's where my take profit was, but I don't think I'll have to wait up to there, because as I told you, I have a lot of things to do. I'm so tired. I never slept. You know, right now it's 10:56 a.m. Yeah, so I think I'll have to close the trades because yeah, $1,000, my friend, a single trade. I don't want to be greedy. That's to me that's more than enough. Although I want more, but yeah, I think that is for today. It is, it is. I thank God, mother. I thank God. It is enough. Yeah. So you can learn also how to trade forex. So let me close the trades together. Close. Well, let me close. Closing. Yeah. Nowadays I don't put a lot of crazy trades. Like days before I used to like put like maybe 20 trades at the same time, but with lower lot size. Also, you can tell me in a comment whether you want to see a lot of me entering a lot of trades or just doing maybe few trades or maybe one trade. Yeah, so we've made $1,149. Converting that in Kenya, that's I don't know, like 100 and I don't know, 15 or 120,000. So that's good money. So yeah, feel free to subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you. See you in the next video.